All right, so just so you know, I'm doing a corn chowder from Eye in the Garden, and this is some Coleman bacon. This is olive oil that the bacon was cooked in, plus butter and onion sauteing as the base. Hello. I wish you could smell this, but this has been about 10 minutes. Now we're dropping in flour, salt, pepper, and turmeric. And we're cooking that for 3 minutes before we drop some other stuff in, like potatoes. All right, so we got about 6 cups of chicken stock and about 3 potatoes or so, like 3 cups. This is gonna sit here for 15 minutes until the potatoes are tender. And then we're gonna add some of that corn. All right, so I'm taking the kernels off and it's not cooked. So I'm putting it in a bowl instead of a cutting board because they like fly all over the place. Then these are gonna be blanched in salt water, which means you cook them real fast for 3 minutes, take them out, and you put them in ice or cold water to stop the cooling process. And at that point, I think they're gonna be dumped in. You're doing this real time with me. I just looked it up online, so I don't even know what I'm doing. So hopefully it comes out good. All right, so I got some white and I got some yellow. This is only if you're doing fresh corn, by the way. If you're using, I guess it says frozen, I don't know about canned, but you have to blanch. So now boiling water, salted water. That's my beautiful Himalayan pink. I'm gonna boil that up. Drop this in. I had to look up what blanching is. Drop this in. Basically, you're scalding it for a short time, 3 minutes. Then you drop it into ice or cold water to stop it. Once that's done, this is gonna go into this baby. Where this has to basically, it almost has to get to a boil. It has to simmer, but the potatoes have to get tender. So, kind of getting it home straight. All right, so you also have to grate about a half a cup of sharp white cheddar. In my opinion, it's better to get the block, cut it up, grate it yourself. Plus, you can, eat the cheese as you go. Heaping cup. All right, these babies are boiling. It's about 3 minutes. Ready to go in the ice water, and then this looks pretty good. The potatoes are actually pretty tender. I'll let that sit in there for a few more minutes. Obviously, we're getting close. All right, now once you're blanched and drained, we're gonna dump all the corn, which is a lot of it. It's, corn chowder. We're gonna jump that in there. Then we're gonna dump our cheese in there. And we're gonna dump some half and half, which pretty much makes everything better. So this mixes until the cheese is melted. That's pretty much it. And then one more thing. All right, I lightly chopped this beautiful Coleman bacon. And I'm leaving some bigger chunks just to put on the top so that, All right, so it's looking good. Very thick, very hearty, lots of potatoes, lots of corn in there. Serving it with some fresh rosemary bread and getting a little more scoop in there. And to top it all off, everyone's friend,